Alright guys, quick video. Taking the manifolds off. I got them off. But of course all the bolts snapped. So I got every bolt, snap bolt out of here. I'll show you how. Welding the nuts onto the bolts does not work. This is what I did. I just welded on top of the snap bolt. See it? I globbed a bunch of weld on it and I used the Irwins. See, they got those teeth. As you're loosening, it tightens on it. Loosening, it tightens on it. And I used the Milwaukee Impact. What I did, got my beat up welder here, MIG welder. And I got my plumber's acetylene torch, the acetylene. So what I do is I heat them up. I weld it all up. This is the other side. See there? I welded a whole chunk on it. I heat the aluminum around it nice before it starts to melt. And then I cool it with water. Real fast. Heat it up again and then cool it. Put the impact gun on there and it takes them off. Not going to make a super big video about it because it's a real pain in the ass. Been out here since 7 in the morning. It's 4 o'clock now and I got 2 more left to go. There's another one right here I just took out. See, I just weld a bunch of chunky on there. Chunky. Let it cool, take it off. Alright. I'll try to come back when I got the manifolds on. So, for those of you that don't know, stainless inside of aluminum is better than anything else. So I'm going to put everything stainless this time with anti-seize. Put the manifolds on. Cleaned it up with a wire wheel on the Dremel. And I take the razor blade like this. I scrape it along it. I don't go like this because you can gouge it. Scrape it to get the rest off. Alright, so I'm going to put anti-seize on the threads. Put a flat washer. And the lock washer. Putting the lock washers because I'm putting anti-seize on there. Could come loose. And I'll be honest with you, like that, it still might be too long. But we're gonna try it and see what happens here. And I'm using the Felpro gasket. Felpro gasket that goes. There's the part number. And see, they're made for any imperfections. You see little dots and stuff. It's made of metal and I forgot the name of that other material. It's made of that so it doesn't. So if there's any void, it'll fill it in. You know what I'm saying? Make sure you get the right one. I mean, they both should be the same. But the way they came off was that was on the bottom. Alright, let me get this started here. That's what it looks like from the top. Show you the other side. Y pipe and everything's in. See, oxygen sensor is pretty good, easy to get to. That one's there, the other one's on the bottom. On the other side, I'll get under to show you the Y pipe now. Alright, so the Y pipe is on. I ordered the cats. I'm waiting for the cats to come in. Everything bolted up nice. I use stainless bolts up there with anti-seize also. So I'll be back when the cats come in. I got another project here that I want to show you I'm going to do. Because this pipe is so good. It's in good shape. Just the nut rotted off the end. So I'm going to attempt to clean this up and make a nut for it. That's another video. Thanks for watching.